Hey guys, my name's Jules, and this is the Google Pixel 7a. You should buy this. I'm going to tell you why I bought this and why I think it's better than any other mid-range phone, the Google Pixel 7, 7 Pro, even the older iPhones. It's not going to compare to the iPhone 14 Pro or any of the flagship ones, but any mid-range phone, I think this is better. Now, all the specs and features that you heard, or the rumors, it's all true. I don't think it was Google's intention to hide anything, but even if it was leaked, or I just think they didn't really care. So straight up, the reason why I'd buy this is because the price and the size. And it's got the new chip, it's got 90 Hz, 8 gigs of RAM. It's on par with the Pixel 7, and it's got just a slightly bigger battery. And for $749, which is $250 cheaper than the Pixel 7, why wouldn't you? So let's open this up and let's have a look inside. Okay, like I said, just a very quick high-level overview of the new upgrades for the new Google Pixel 7a, not all the features. So let's unbox this. Always nice to crack open a fresh new box. So it comes with a small USB-C, USB-A connector for your computer, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable as usual. None of the Pixels now, not many phones now, come with a charger. So here we have a little SIM clip and our warranty. Usual paperwork there. Okay, and there is beautiful aesthetics of the Pixel 7a. I love the look of this phone. Always like the look of the Pixels. This one even more so. It's got your two cameras with a new sensor, so they're bigger and brighter. The change from the 6 are these new sensors. So a 64 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel wide camera. Lets a lot more light in. You can see the bar. It's nice and aluminium. Peel this one off. There it is. Beautiful front-facing glass. Gorilla Corning 3, so not the best, but for a mid-range phone, it's excellent. The aesthetics of this phone is just a nice-looking phone. It's got the aluminium sides, very nice. I'd rather these aluminium sides than the previous black plastic that was on the Pixel 6. Let's turn it on. Now once on, the first thing you see is Google News. Let's scroll down, clean, next to no bloatware, taking up your 128 storage, is a pure Android phone. That's what I love about Pixel. It comes with the Android 13 out of the box, 6.1 inch display, 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution, and 80.8 screen to body ratio. Now you do get the 90 Hz, but you got to go down and choose it. It doesn't come with 90 Hz out the box, it's 60. So now it's on 90 Hz. Google's known for its camera capabilities and software. I took a few snaps earlier with the new sensors, so let's have a look at its quality. You can see here that this is definitely an upgrade from the Pixel 6a. The shimmer on the leaf is crisp and clear, high resolution and of excellent quality. The colors really pop, and it's more on the warmer side. It also favors darker images. It brings out the detail and the shadow, even in browns. You can see the high level of detail, even as close as this is on the wheels, and a wide angle shot here of the tram. You can see the background quite clearly. Now I'm very cautious when I get a new phone not to scratch it or damage it, so the first two accessories I get is a case and a screen protector. Now my go-to case brand is Spigen. They've been around for a while, very good quality, very durable, and I get this from Amazon, so I'll leave the links in the description below. So let's get this out. This Bi-Gen case is from TPU plastic, very good, smooth yet grippable. It doesn't fall out of your hand, it's cut to perfection. It just fits well, nice square edge, so it just feels good in your hand. And this is a 3-pack hydrogel screen protector from Nuck Knock. It's only $15 from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. This is much better to me than tempered glass, because once tempered glass cracks or chips, it looks terrible. This removes all the bubbles by itself, and it just feels good and doesn't affect the fingerprint sensor. Those are the two things that I would always get, and that's it. That's my quick overview of the Google Pixel 7a. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll create more. Thanks for watching, guys.